Welcome to Jump Rope, our new tool for standards-based reporting. In this tutorial, we will share with you information about how to access your Jump Rope account. Each family is provided with login credentials that are to be used by all family members. Coming soon to our website will be a direct link to the Jump Rope login page. Until this link is up, please use the link that is contained in the email with your credentials. When you're at the login page, please enter your student's school email followed by the password that you were given. If you don't want to remember this information, please check Remember Me and then click Login. Once you're on the dashboard page, 3 boxes provide quick information concerning your child's progress. The red box will indicate if there are any missing assignments. The blue box will indicate if there are any upcoming assignments. And the green box will indicate if a course has a grade. Please note that the icons within each box correlate with the icons in the left navigational panel. If you would like a detailed explanation for each icon, click on the link directly to the right of the jump rope, and this will expand the menu on the navigation bar. Let's take a look at what's inside Missing Assignments. You can see Sally Saber has no missing assignments, but if she did, they would be listed on this page. Let's go to Sally Saber's current grades. When you land on this page, you will notice at the top of the page there is the school-wide rubric for reporting. This will indicate what each score represents. Next to that is the grading scale for 8th through 12th grade students. This will convert the numeric score into a grade. Please use this if you are an 8th through 12th grade parent. Course names are listed to the far left. Any missing assessments will be listed in the center next to the course they are missing from. On the far right, you will see a numeric value for the progress that your child has made. If you are an 8th through 12th grade parent, you can use the grade scale above to convert this numeric value into a letter grade. Let's expand Algebra 1. Clicking on the course will open up the standards and objectives that have been assessed to arrive at the overall score. To see detailed information about an objective, simply click on it to expand the view. This is a look at all of the evidence that has been collected for Algebra 1 Standard 1F. If you look at the assessment title, it will give you some insight as to the pieces of evidence that have been collected to arrive at this grade. You can see Sally Saber's grade has been derived from evaluation of 2 pieces of classwork, 2 pieces of homework, a quiz, and a project. When you're finished viewing all of the pieces of evidence, you can click Done to arrive back at the expanded view. For a simple list of all of the pieces of evidence, click Assessment Summary, and each course will list out the pieces of evidence that have been evaluated. Let's take a look at upcoming assessments. Click on the blue box for upcoming assessments. You can see that on September 21st, Sally Saber has a Unit 1 assessment in Advanced Technology. You should now be familiar with all of the elements of our standards-based grading portal. Don't forget to log out once you've finished, and please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.